Myoho Renge Kyo. Namo Myoho Renge Kyo, Namo Myoho Renge Kyo, Namo Myoho Renge Kyo. Hi, I hope you're well and safe. What is a teacher? You've heard me talk about this in many different ways, but we read it all the time, right? It's one of the three great qualities of Buddhahood: parent, teacher, sovereign. So what's the teacher part? What does that mean? Let's read what I put into Buddhism Reference and see if we can't discern. What does the word teacher mean to us? And realizing that the word has many meanings depending on what discipline, what culture, what system one is discussing, right? So teacher, parent, teacher, sovereign. I put it right underneath there. In the broad sense of Buddhist thought, all phenomena are our teacher. All phenomena are our teacher. If it's sunny outside, we learn about sunlight. We learn about colors. We learn about warmth. We learn about many things. But you notice I keep saying the word learn. This is the conundrum of language. We also, as a phenomena, are our own teacher. No one truly teaches us. We intake information, data, experience, and we make of that an impression, a sensation, right? The skandhas. And with our freight train of karma, we categorize it, right? Identify. It's what we do, that's samsara. And through that process, we make an estimation, a judgment, a naming convention, so on and so forth. We are teaching ourselves to relate to our environment through our experience in the skandhas, in our consciousnesses. Unfortunately, that very mechanism, which is innate, is where we create stresses and anxiety and quote, quote, suffering, right? Let's move on. All phenomena are the product in moment-to-moment dependent origination. And you can look up dependent origination in this volume and nidana. Since you and I and all phenomena in this universe are interrelated or interconnected via our dependent origination, once again refer to those sections, all our experience is opportunity to witness, to analyze, to engage with, and realize our potential. This is the very essence of teaching. But where is the teacher in this? Therefore, our sentient mind is the very entity of teacher to our experience of life. This is the realized bodhisattva path, leading ourselves to awaken our single-minded commitment to Buddhahood and the liberation of all sentient beings. We just talked about single-mindedness, right? Now that's interesting. That's our Buddhist take on it, right? And we know through Nichiren, Namo Myoho Renge Kyo is what opens that mind, that clarity, that ultimate teaching, the Bodhisattva path. Now, the American Heritage Dictionary of the English Language, 5th edition, says teacher is a noun, and they have 3 different meanings here, and I would add 2 others that they don't have. One who teaches, especially one hired to teach. Interesting. How materialistic, yeah? 2, one who teaches or instructs. Okay. One whose business or occupation is to instruct others. A preceptor, an instructor, a tutor, in a restricted sense, one who gives instruction in religion. Well, why did that pop up? Why religion specifically? Strange, isn't it? The inculcated biases of people who are writing a dictionary, for crying out loud. Specifically in early New England Congregationalism, a clergyman charged with the duty of giving religious instructions to a church, in some churches the offices of pastor and teacher being at first distinct. Okay, a little history lessons about religion, but how did they appropriate the word teacher, for crying out loud? Third, one who teaches or instructs, one whose business or occupation is to instruct others, an instructor, a tutor, similar to instruction tutor. So what's missing from that? A bodhisattva, which I would add to the word teacher, a facilitator, because again, the teaching really is laid out in an informational offering for us to teach ourselves, because that's where the teaching happens, in the learning portion. That's why the two worlds or realms right before Buddhahood are learning and realization, because there's an ingestion of information, and from that is a realization, hopefully, that takes you beyond the samsaric identification. That realization transcends the identification to truly, with clarity and non-judgment, non-attachment, understand the process of life, the engine of life. This is the end goal of the teacher, right? So that's not in that American Heritage Dictionary. All right. That's it for today. I hope that maybe lends a few insights, helps you along, increase your confidence in your practice. Please stay strong. Believe in your practice. Have trust in it. Have commitment and resolve to attain your potential, Buddhahood. All you need to do is awaken it. All that other stuff, it's just getting in your way. Not necessary. Interesting little window. All right. So relish your practice, right? Take your time and awaken your Buddhahood. All right. Take care of your health, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.